Okay, so how to improve your cigar tasting skills, or my thoughts on aroma kits. And anyway, I was doing some research on this because Paul and I have been talking with each other on this on the Smoking Gorilla Lounge, and he was bringing it up how wine sommeliers, and you can see here there is definitely an interest here for wine, whiskey, cognac, tequila, beer, sake, coffee, and tea. And actually, they do have a cigar aroma kit, but the problem with the cigar aroma kit was the fact that they could not put it on their website because for some reason the bots from Google blacklisted their website, so they couldn't do that. So that's where I'm kind of coming in here to promote their cigar tasting kits, cigar aroma kits. And there's two ways to go about this. So the first way is you can just go and click on the link below right here, and it'll take you to this part here on Amazon, and then you just pay the price for the shipping, and there you go. You're going to get a cigar aroma kit with 24 aromas in it. Now, another thing too, what you can do is there is Arno, who is the man over there at Aroma Master. He graciously offered a 15% discount to everybody that decides to purchase a kit from the site. And that's what I was telling him before, was the fact that it'd probably be easier for me to just tell people about it, and then they can go and create their own aroma kit, and then that way they're not going to get blacklisted. So you click on create your own aroma kit, and you go to, we're going to do a 24 aroma kit right here, and then we're going to do English for me, and then we're going to come around here, and then what you do is you just drag and drop the aromas over on the right side here. So let me see here, do one there, and then you go down all the way to the bottom. And once you're ready to do that, because I believe I have one in the cart right here. So I have a cart ready, and oh wow, it's not letting me view cart. There we go, view cart. Okay, so I have a customized aroma quick kit with 24 aromas, and then if you do 15 dude and hit apply coupon, you're going to see that the total is going to be 127 euros as opposed to 150 euros for the 24 aroma kit. So like I said, there's two ways you can do it. You can go on the site and make your own aroma kit with the aromas that you feel that you should do, or you can go over to Amazon and just purchase the ready-made one, and it's pretty much that's about it. So anyway, I'm going to get a little bit further into this thing. Once the aroma kit arrives, I'm going to unpackage it, and then I will talk a little bit more. So let's go over to talking a little bit more. Okay, so here we are with the kit, and it comes basically with the FedEx packaging around a box, and then there's tissue paper wrapped around this. So what do you get? You get a nice leather bound satchel, let's just call it, with this. It opens up like that quite easily, and inside this is what you have. You have your list of aromas here on the left, and you have your vials of aroma on the right. And basically what happens with these things, there's a couple of things to note that I want to take on this as I pull one of these out and get a little bit closer. So these vials come numbered only, and they correspond to the list. So don't lose the list. Either take a picture of it or something, write it down to where you're going to have the numbers and the aromas on the list, because that's when you do the kit, that's where it comes. So you lose that list, you're going to be in trouble.
Another thing to note is the fact that if you can see here, there's aluminum foil that's over the top of this. So there's a little tab on the side. You just pull that up and it easily comes off. So you're going to have to do that 24 times. One last thing to note is the fact that there's paper at the top here. What this paper does inside the lid is it creates a seal between the vial and the lid. But sometimes when you screw this off, the paper will be stuck to the top of this right here. So don't pull the aluminum foil and the paper off and throw them both away. Put the paper back in there so you can maintain a solid seal on this vial. So there's a few things, a few warning notes on there, a few things so that you can, make sure that everything is okay. So my thoughts on Aroma Kits. Well, I don't know about you, but there's been many times where I've been smoking a cigar and I'm like thinking, gosh, there's an aroma, taste, or flavor, or whatever it is that I'm getting. It's either good or bad, it doesn't matter, but I can't put a name to that. And for the life of me, I can't put a name to it. So with an aroma kit, and what this does basically is it exercises that olfactory sense, that muscle, so to speak, whatever you want to call it, so that you can get a name and put a name to an aroma that you experience. And for me personally, I mean, this is a hobby, not a job for me. But I'm, as you guys well know, I'm pretty nerdy about things, and I really am passionate about cigars. And so for me, this is just something that's going to enhance my experience with cigars, hands down. So I was really happy and excited to be able to contact Arnaud at Aroma Master and be able to get this kit, along with being able to get everybody that watches the video a 15% discount. You just put in 15 dude in the coupon code on their website, and you can put together an aroma kit and get 15% off. There's also a ready-made kit down below the links in there where you can just go to Amazon, click on the link, buy the kit from Amazon, and then call it a day. So there's two ways that you can do it. Now, if you're a sommelier, cigar sommelier, this is something I'm sure that you would want to do because it's going to only enhance your sommelier skills to where you can help customers out and so on and so forth. So all the way around, I think this is a win-win. That's why I'm doing the video. That's why I got the 15% discount for people, because I believe in the product. I think it's nothing but good for people to have an aroma kit, be able to do that, and enhance your experience with cigars. But that's just me. I'm some knucklehead on the internet with an opinion. But hopefully you go out there and buy the kit, and we can compare notes in the future. Anyway, I've rambled on enough, and that's enough out of me.